everyone, my name is Carson MUA here on YouTube. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope that you're having a good day so far, and if you're watching this during the afternoon or evening, I hope you had a good day, and I hope tomorrow's a good day too. I did this look. It's more of a spookier-ish kind of holiday festive look. I'm also wearing a crown, if you can see. I don't know how these crown people on TikTok and Instagram do it, because this thing, I haven't had it on my head for less than 10 minutes and I'm already getting a headache, and I even have cotton balls shoved up where it touches. And yeah, I don't know how crown people on Instagram and TikTok do this, honestly, for a living. But yeah, so if you're new, you probably are. Thank you for clicking on this video and checking this out. Come follow me on TikTok and Instagram at COSMUA on YT. Both are down below in the description. Anything I use in this video for this look are down below. Go check out my other channel. I will be doing a HMM on Krampus, so that's why I kind of spookier look. I'll be wearing only this during my intro and my outro for this video, and maybe my intro for that if I can withstand this. But yeah, so if you want to look how I did this, keep watching this video and go check out my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I upload every Wednesday. And yeah, so keep watching to see how I did this look. Hello everybody, this is VoiceOver Carson. I'm still getting used to trying to figure out my volume. So sorry if in the last one I was a little bit loud. Maybe, I don't know. RIP headphone users if I was. But there's a hair on my mic, I'm trying to get it. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're enjoying the holidays. Also, PSA, ignore my Hanukkah talk in the last one. My dumb self got confused with my HMMs and when I was posting them to my makeup ones, and my HMM for Santa, my last one, that was going to be posted the day after Hanukkah. So I got my HMMs and MUAs switched earlier when I was thinking about it, because I was trying to be like, oh, what can I talk about? Okay, I could talk about Hanukkah, I could talk about Christmas, Kwanzaa, you know, everything like that. But my dumb self was like, ooh, wait, Hanukkah is this day. Oh, wait, I'm posting this day. But I was actually looking at my HMM schedule, so sorry about that. But now, at least in this video, I could be like, how is your Hanukkah? Actually, how was your Hanukkah so far? I know it is ending soon. If you celebrate Christmas, we're getting close. For when I'm posting this, when Kwanzaa's happening, if you celebrate, what are you doing? I kind of talked about that in my last video. Sorry about that. I thought I was gonna burp. I was trying my best not to. But yeah, so plans, holiday plans. So like I said, if you don't celebrate either Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or Christmas, I know there's other celebrations out there. Please let me know down below. I'd love to know you and your family's traditions to celebrate during holiday month of December. Just if you celebrate anything, if you don't celebrate anything and you just sit at home and do nothing, let us know. I'd love to know. So today, I'm going to start this off by saying it now so I don't forget. We are doing a more spookier-ish look for Christmas, because in the last one we did Santa inspired, so that's why we had candy canes and more braider makeup. In this one we went for a little bit more gothic, a little bit more dark, but still keeping it Christmassy. That is because I will be talking about Krampus. Ye old Krampus from Austria and Germany and stuff like that. So we're going to be talking about that this Monday coming up, because I always forget the fact that when I post MUAs for makeup videos like these, I post a week ahead. So the week that I post HMM on Monday and I post MUA makeup stuff on Wednesday. But with Monday, it's the week Pyre's makeup. So like this week, for example, I post Santa for HMMs. Then I'm going to post Krampus, which I have already done now. We're posting Krampus on Wednesday. Then go to the Monday. I thought that was a good transition. Let me know if you actually like that. I do that with my eyebrows. I do know that. I was like, ooh, let me try out a new transition with my brush and buffing, because buffing takes forever. Let me know if that was cool. I thought it was. I will be doing it in a few other videos. Let me know. But yeah, so what I was saying is that I'm posting this makeup on the Wednesday after Santa, but then the Monday following is when the HMM Krampus video does come up. Then on that Wednesday after, I'm posting another makeup, which will follow up for that next Monday. You know, you get what I'm saying. But that's kind of how I do my makeups and my posting wise, because at least my makeup is ahead of the game and my HMMs are just right behind by like a few days basically. So at least, because if you've ever watched any of my HMMs and gone in my description, I do put in my description for my HMMs specifically because I do it as a theme thing. So makeup will relate to the topic I talk about, but I do it separate channels because I know not everybody likes makeup and not everybody likes storytelling, or you might like both, or you might like one of each. So that's kind of how I do it. But if you do watch HMMs, I do post in the description the link to the makeup that I did in said video prior. So I link the video of the makeup getting done for that specific look that I'm wearing while I record an HMM. If you've ever wondered, that's what I do. Also, let me know if you have any products you want me to review. I think I've talked about that before. Yeah, actually comment, guys. Like, really. I really want to talk to you guys. I tell you that in about every video, but I do appreciate when I have been given thumbs up. I do appreciate you even clicking on the video or watching a little bit of the video. If not all the video, I still do appreciate you being present in this video, viewing, whatever, being present with me. But if you do watch the video even for a little bit, comment down below. Come and say hey. If you like my videos, if you've seen some of my other videos, just comment hey. Come talk to me. I love to talk to y'all. So I say that all the time in videos lately because I haven't been getting any comments. Besides like spam comments on occasional videos. So yeah, so like I was saying in the beginning, if you got any plans, comment that down below. If you have any products reviews that you want me to do, comment down below. Yeah, so don't mind me also looking off every so often. It's because Duncan and Daisy were in the other room, and Daisy had to go to the bathroom like really badly, and I was trying to get this video done because I kept getting interrupted by the two of them dinglings. So it took me almost 2 hours to film this video specifically, and the next one. Yeah, so these two dinglings, they didn't let me get anything done that day of recording this. Also, I don't know how these people on TikTok and Instagram, I talked about that in the intro and the outro. I don't know how y'all freaking do it. Tell me how you wear those kinds of crowns. Literally for, I don't even know how long y'all wear the crowns for, honestly. But if y'all have like tips for padding and stuff like that for those kinds of crowns, especially for the behind the ears area, please let a girl know, because legitimately that was painful. Like, I generally didn't even wear that crown for less than like 5 minutes, and it was already giving me a headache before I even put the cotton balls on. Like, I was still in the process of trying to put the cotton balls on, and it was already giving me a headache when it barely touched my head. So that's why, if you watch my H&M, I do wear it, at least for my intro, because I was like, you know what, I'll wear it for my intro and my outro for this video. I will wear it for the intro of my H&M. I will not wear it through the rest of the video though. I put this exact headband back on because this one is actually comfortable and the crown was not. And also, a piece of the crown actually broke off, and I noticed when I looked later that night when I was putting it up that apparently the people who made the crown have had issues with that piece before, because you can see there are daubs of glue all in the area of where that piece should be sitting. So yeah, so apparently they've had issues with that piece too before they even sold it off to people. So yeah, that's kind of what happened. But yes, if you're a crown wearer like that, if you are also a makeup artist who wears crowns like that, tell me your tips and tricks of wearing them for longer periods, besides just 5 minutes, please. Because, good lord. And that thing was very wobbly, because I was having to yell at Duncan because he kept messing with the tree, and yell at Daisy because she kept trying to go after him. I was having to do that with wearing that crown just to get like the intro, the outro, and the intro for H&M done. And it was wiggling so much on my head, and I'm trying not to let it fall off my head and stay in place and also not hurt me in the process. But yeah, so that was kind of what was happening. Yeah, so also I was talking about in the last video, I'm recording in the kitchen. That is where this background is from, because it's a little switch up from my last backgrounds of the shower curtain, because my mother is out of town, so at least I can record in the kitchen because my dad doesn't care, and obviously Dylan doesn't care, so my mom would throw a bitch fit about it if I did, if she knew anything about this. So at least while she's gone, I can use the ambiance of the background of the wall to use and idolize during video recording, and also recording this right now because I can have you guys on a flat surface, which I really, really want to do, because I even talked about it in the last video that I want to move and have a separate area, so recording and video and stuff like that, and voiceover recordings where I can have you sitting on an actual table like you are right now, and you don't have to hear me moving the mic every time because of my arm like falling asleep. So yeah, Duncan and Daisy are in the other room. That's what if you hear any clicking, that's Daisy's toenails. And Duncan just went at her and was like, made his little sound. Yeah, that was Dylan. we were making dinner, so like halfway through this video, like basically when I got my eyebrows done, I was eating chicken tenders and had to finish, so you get a little glimpse of Dylan running back to our room while I was trying to finish this video. But yeah, so there was a Dunkin' Playtime break and chicken tender eating break for Dindin. That's what was happening after I got my eyebrows finished and ready to go. Which, while I'm recording this, we will probably be ending up having dinner pretty soon too. So, it's about that time, because the times I've been able to do this, you can tell I'm aggravated by our pets, but by the time I'm able to do this is after I get home from work, and I don't get home from work till about, 5:30, and that's even leaving at 4:30, so I don't get home until after like almost an hour. And so that's why when I've been recording these videos, I've only been able to get at least one done. But at least I've been able to get it done. So as I'm recording this, I know I'm posting this at not the week of recording this, but the next week. But yeah, so that's why I'm posting this, but I'm recording it the week prior. I have to film another video because I've already filmed 2 videos after this, up until this point, up until the recording point. I filmed 2 extra videos after this and a couple other ones. I'm going to be starting a new series called Sit Down Saturdays. Those videos will be coming pretty soon, maybe. It depends on how quickly I can get them edited with everything else, because everything else is more of a priority compared to the Sit Down Saturdays I want to post, because they're not going to be all the time type things. So, and these kinds of videos are more like what I actually am going to be posting every week. You get the deal. So yeah, that's kind of what was happening, and I have done. But yeah, so I have to film, as of this moment, I have to film another makeup video, which won't be up for 3 more weeks, because since I have to pre-record a bunch of stuff because family coming into town. But that's kind of what's happening, and that's why it's being pre-recorded. So if you see after Christmas any Christmas looks, that's why. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. That's how I did the look. I hope you go check out more of my videos. They're pretty similar to the way this style is. If you want me to try out a new version instead of just doing the voiceover while I'm doing the makeup, let me know. But honestly, the makeup for this took me about 2.5 hours, because I had to keep stopping and going, because my dog Daisy is over there, Duncan, my cat, is over there. They don't know how to listen. I also ate dinner while doing this, and it took me like over an hour just to set up this. I hope you like this background. It's only temporary for right now because my mom is out of town. But yeah, so this is what you'll be seeing for the next couple videos at least. And don't forget to go watch my HMM for Krampus while I'm wearing this makeup. Also give this video a big ol' thumbs up, hit subscribe, also hit the bell notification when I post every Wednesday. Go follow me on Instagram, TikTok at COSMUAONYT. And yeah, I hope you're having a good day, good morning, good evening, good weekend, weekday, whatever it is when you're finding this video. I hope you're having a good one, and be safe, and I love you, and I will see you in the next video. But until then,